Hi everyone, so today I want to show you the brand new Evercross H9 electric scooter that I found out on their website. I just found that out today, so I'm not sure when they actually released this, but I think it must be recent. So let's check it out and see the difference between the H5 and the H7. And I had both H5 and the H7 before, so I know a lot about this scooter. And you can check out those videos if you want. What's the difference? But anyway, let's look at here. Here are the three scooters on this website. And the left one is the H7, the center one is H9, and the one on the right is the H5. They all look very, very similar. And in terms of price, looks like the H7 is the most expensive one over here, and the cheapest one is the H5. However, it has a discount. The original price looks like actually the H9 has the cheapest price for some reason, which is kind of weird, even though it has the highest number 9 over here. And then if you have a good eye, you can immediately kind of see that it's based on the H5 actually, not the H7. It looks almost exactly the same as the H5. As you can see, the H7 has a different deck, and it has the rear wing over here. So let's look at the spec. It doesn't actually tells you a lot in terms of spec on the website. So actually, it has the same 800-watt motor. Top speed is the same again, 28 miles per hour. The range is 28 miles, which is the same as the H7. And then in terms of battery, is a 48 volt, 14 amp hour. So somewhere between the H7 and the H5. The H5 has a 10 amp hour, while the H7 has the 15 amp hour. So again, very, very similar, between all these three scooters. So I don't know why Evercross is doing this again. Basically, three scooter that is very similar. The main difference actually is on this picture over here. So it has a brand new center dash with a new screen. It looks very nice, very big, and very bright, and a lot of information. Not sure what the actual one looks like in real life, and it has an app which exists on the H7 but not the H5, and it looks like it has a thumb throttle instead of a trigger throttle. So this is a new thing. I'm not sure if you need a key for this scooter, because the other two H5 and H7 you need a key, but looks like there's no key on here. And here there's a new thing as well. There's like 6 different new buttons over here. So this is the biggest difference basically, between the H9 and the other two. And then this is another picture. So as you can see, it's clearly based on the H5 in terms of the frame. It looks exactly the same in terms of the deck, which the batteries, it's inside of here, which is surprising because it has a 14 amp hour battery. But the deck looks the same. It doesn't look any bigger. And then same shocks. It looks like the only difference is this is red, I guess. Let's look at another picture. So this is red instead of black. And then so here another spec as well. 800 watt hour, 48 volts, 14 amp hour, 3 speed mode, 20 miles per hour, 28 miles range, and 330 pounds max low, which is again same spec as the other two. Here you can see more clearly about the deck. Same solid tires, looks like off-road style again. So again, exactly the same as the H5, except this is red over here. So the spring is better on the H7 again, and here's the app, which I suppose the same as the H7. So that's pretty much it. It doesn't show the weight, the dimension, and some of the spec. Um, so again, I don't know why. I mean, it's kind of weird that they put same spec on all these three scooters, H5, H7, and H9. So pretty disappointing actually. It looks like the best one is still the H7, but again, even the H7 is not much better than the H5. It's actually not an improvement in some of the areas. It's a lot heavier. I suppose this one is not as heavy as the H7, but everything else is almost the same. It depends on if you like the new screen and the some throttle, something like that, and it has an app. The price is again very similar. So anyway, tell us what you think in the comment section below, or ask any question. Again, I haven't seen a actual video reviewing this uh, H9. So I don't know if I'm getting this again, since it looks like the H7 is still slightly better unless they send me one to review. But anyway, thanks for watching and have a nice day.